मत करो। श्री सेलंग संगमा।
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Now, we know that every parent's dream their children to become somebody or someone. But the fact is that these kind of fact institutions is destroying the future of our youths. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, I would like to ask whether any kind of a compensatory will be made to these ill-fated or unlucky children whose fate is already in stake.
Adhyaksha, I think this question is quite similar to the previous question. And as I mentioned, now, according to the UGC Act, we recognize the universities either by the 2F or by the Section 3 of the UGC Act. Other than that, some people sometimes they open such kind of institution which either bearing the name or word university or may not be. But time to time, we also notify that, and if, as you know, that it is the duty of the state government to take the action, because law and order is the pivotal work, it is the function of the state government. Question is repetition, so what can I do?